Now, I'm sure a lot of you would have got both your COVID vaccine doses by now. If not, I'm sure you would be in the process and would have at least got one dose. In either case, once you have got your vaccine, what you need to do is download your COVID-19 vaccination certificate. Till now, there were only two ways to do it. You could download it through the Covid app or the Arogya Setu app, and we have already done a couple of videos on how to do it, and we have got close to 1 million views on those videos. So I am sure that a lot of you found it very useful, and if you did and are new to the channel, please subscribe to India Today Tech, because we'll keep bringing these kind of videos for you. Now what has happened is that government has also tied up with WhatsApp, and you can actually download your COVID-19 vaccination certificate through WhatsApp, and in this video I'm going to tell you how. You're watching India Today Tech. I am Manas Tiwari. Now, first things first, why do you actually need this vaccination certificate? Well, you will need it while you are traveling to show it at different places and for a lot of other things as well. So it is very important that you download your COVID-19 vaccination certificate as soon as you get your doses. Now, how to do it through WhatsApp? It's a very simple process. The government has shared a number. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put that number here on the screen, and what you can do is you have to save this number on your smartphone first. Now what you need to do is save this number on your smartphone, and you can save it by any name. What I've done is I've kept things really simple and I've saved it with COVID certificate. Now what you need to do is open your WhatsApp, go to the number that you saved, open that chat window and type download certificate, and just that's what you need to type. Just type download certificate and send that message. In reply, what you will get is that there'll be a message saying that an OTP has been sent on your number, and you need to share that number within next 30 seconds. So once you have received the OTP, please share it on that chat window, and after confirming that OTP, they will ask for your ID to be confirmed. So you will get a message saying that if it is actually you or not, and what you need to do is, if it's your name that the chat window is showing, you need to type 1 and reply. And once you have done that, this is the confirmation, and your COVID-19 vaccination certificate will appear in the chat window, and from there you can easily download it and use it wherever you want to. So it's a very simple process. I hope you found this video useful. So if you haven't downloaded your COVID-19 vaccination certificate yet, please do it now. Also, thank you for watching this video.